Good. Rebound for Itang. Itang, the pass to the middle. Cabrera will lace. Basket and one. Cabrera. And the pass. Another pass to Sunday. Lace. Basket for two again. Sunday. And here you go. Kapapasok pa lang. Basket. Get it up. Attacks to the hoops. Uy, nag-jelly pa sa taas. Welcome to Do or Die Quarterfinals NBTC 2025. First ball possession and behind the back dribble. Itang pass to the wings. Inside pass fakes. Sa gitna Cabrera. No short. Pop. Wala, tips in. Bucket for two. First block. And now holds the ball for Tom Maribeles. Bataan number 20. Stops. Launches on 3. Shorts. Fight for the rebound. Makukuha dito ng Kamanava. And sa gitna. Crossover move. Stops. Wings area. Bounce pass inside. The side is step 5. Oy! Traveling. Huli. And his number 11 is spinning. De Jesus. And wings area. Corner for 3. Bang! Dalagi. Itang, pass to Cabrera. Montejo, pass to the wings area. Inside pass, sa gitna. Pull up jumper, Pimentel of the window. Bucket for 2. Juliano, spinning. Pass to the wings area. Oop. It's good. And it's stolen. And it's number 28. Pass to the middle. And natapikan. Montejo, corner pass. High pass, Cabrera will receive. Cabrera to the drive, to the corner, pull up jumper, bullseye. And his team Bataan, he stops, looking for the receiver now. And to number 7, will attack the side step, hook shot, no good, fakes, clutch. Free throw line. Last on the free throw. And here you go, Team Bataan, Maribeles. And stop picks. Bump to the hoop. So, bucket for 2, Sunday. And the pass to the wings area. Oh, corner pass. Fires at 3. Short. And the rebound, pull up J. Baseline, bullseye. And here's corner pass picks. Pass it back Itang sa gitna. Pull up jumper. Cabrera. Basket and one. And here you go, number 7. He stops. Attacks to the hoops. Uy, nag-jelly pa sa taas. Itang. The high pass. Pull up jumper. In and out. Rebound and the leash. Basket and one. Cabrera. And here's Team Maribeles sa gitna. Sunday. Sunday. And the pass, here's number 3. Stop, launches on deep. Won't go. Rebound para dito sa Kamanava. Itang, the pass. And kicks it out, Itang. Itang will drive inside pass. Pull up jumper, bullseye. Itang. Itang now with the ball. Drives. The pass. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound, put back. Oh, Cabrera will finish. And here's dribbling the ball for Team Bataan for 3. Too strong. And here you go, Itang. Pass to the middle. Drives to the hoops. Bucket for 2. And dribbling the ball now at the top. Number 1 for Team Bataan. To the middle. Pass it back. Guarded by Itang. Goes to the screen. Corner for 3. No good. Rebound for Itang. Itang, the pass to the middle. Cabrera will lace. Basket and one. Cabrera. Bataan asking for a pick. Goes to the wings area. Natapikan. And here you go. Kapapasok pa lang. Basket. Get it. And here's Lamanlad. Number 7. Pass to Sunday. Ball is stolen. And here you go. Baldomero inside pass. Nice deliver on the inside. And fires. And Binuya on the inbound. Pass to the middle. for 3. Bang! 3. Tigan on the inbound, looking for the receiver. Monteroso will receive. And the pass to the wings area. Corner pass, pull-up jumper. Won't go. Rebound dito para sa Bataan. Drives rejected by Getigan. Now inbounding the bounce pass, pull-up jumper, baseline, bucket for 2. And the pass break. And here you go. Oh, Monteroso. Dribbling the ball now. Zigzagging. Gars. Pass to the corner. Stop. Deep 2. Won't go. Rebound dito Montejo. Montejo. Pass to the middle. Corner. Drives. Baldomero. Pinabitin off the window. Bucket for 2. Rebounding now. Pass to Castillo. Castillo. Pass to Garcia. Pull up J. Bullseye. Garcia. And dribbling the ball. Will stop. Oop. Miscommunication. The pass break. And the receive. Montejo. Tinap. Board pa ni Montejo. And this stops to the wings area. Launches on 3. Won't go. Rebound spinning. Fires. Won't strong. Sunday. Hook shot. Wala pa rin. Sunday. One more chance. Wala pa rin. Ang alat ni Sunday. Hook pass. Montejo. Against Sunday. Montejo. The pass. Side step. Floater. Short. Put back. Oh, ang lakas mo. The power. And here comes team Maribeles. Bataan. And the pass. And the drive. Baseline. The floater. Too strong. Kicks out for 3. No good. And here's Montejo. The pass back. Ito nag-import. Bucket for 2. Import. Elabil gets inside. Bucket for 2 again. Back to. And between the legs. Getigan. Corner pass. Get inside boss. Sa gitna. Lace. Bucket for 2. Getigan to the middle. Pass back. Getigan. Stops. High pass. And here's the import. Launches on 3. Short. Rebound. Put back. Ang taas tumalon. Yes, sir. Getigan, high pass to the middle. Corner pass. Will drives the floater shot. Bullseye. Voss back to. And crosses over against Voss. To the baseline. Kicks out. And goes inside. Megos rejected. Pass to the wings area. Drives to the middle. Falls. Fires. Yes, sir. And here's number 1 for Yes Bataan. Maribeles drive, spinning, hook shot, short, rebound, one bounce and fire. Wala pa rin. And rejected. Rejected, but that's the end. And corner pass. Inside. Oh, pinabitin pa. Wala. Behind the back dribble. Goes over. Attacks to the hoop. Sees it all. Pass to Cabrera. Spinning. Floater shot. No good. Alvia. Hitang. Pass inside. Picks and fire. Bucket for 2. And to the corner. Please. Manny. And here comes again for Team Bataan. Number 1. And pass to the middle. Natapikan Peralta. The pass break. And here's Baldomero. Oh, grabe naman yun. Sunday. Post up, spins, lace. Won't go. Rebound dito kay Alvia. Itang. Inside pass. Recover by Cabrera. Kumaldag. Bounce pass. Peralta. Basket in 1. Peralta. And here's dribbling the ball. Number 1. 2 inside. Reverse layup. Bullseye. And here comes Team Bataan. Recover. Kicks out. And drives inside floater. Bullseye. Backdoor inbound for Team Bataan. Now looking for the receiver. Bounce pass, pull up jumper. Bucket for 2. And here's Team Bataan. Natapikan. And the hook pass. And drives to the hose. Bucket for 2. Montejo. Pass to number 5. Spinning. Recover. Cross pass Montejo. Inside pass the alley pass the lob pass. Nice pass by Montejo. And dribbling the ball. Stop Montejo. Inside pass the lob pass. And the finish once again. Pass to the middle. Pull up jumper. Bucket for 2. And dribbling the ball. He stops. He pass. Long three. No good. Rebound para sa Bataan. The high pass to the middle. Gets inside. Ball stolen. And the long pass. Montejo, the receiver. One bounce and the pass. And the finish. And here's number 1. For Team Bataan. Will drives. Inside. Hook shot. No good. Fight for the rebound. And mare-recover dito. Corner. And drives, umatake, wala pa rin. Put back shot, Sunday. The end of the fourth quarter action here. Number 1 for Team Bataan. Goes to the middle, crosses over to the hoops. Nugget, rebound, put back, Sunday. The finish. And ball stolen. And the pass, number 1 again, nagmegos sa taas. Bucket for 2. And behind the back pass is stolen by Sunday. And the pass, another pass to Sunday, lays, basket for 2 again, Sunday, back to 2. And it's the import, Babawi, reverse layup, basket for 2, Algavir. To the middle, crosses over, inside pass, ayun na naman si Sunday. And the pass. And it's the import, Alvidar, drives, bounce pass, sakto yung pasa. And the pitch, Team Bataan dancing at the floor, goes inside the face, bucket for 2. To the wings area, launches on 3, bang, 3 points. And is Cabrera, will stop, will fire, bang, Cabrera. And crosses over. Number 7 holds the ball and goes to the base, to the wings, to the middle. Will attack. Drive through inside, rejected by Avila. And for the inbound, bounce pass inside, rejected again by Avila. And the pass, alley-oop pass, the labas and the finish once again. Perrol. And here's number 1. Behind the back. Attacking the defense. The floater. Yes, sir. Baseball pass. And goes inside. Now behind the back pass. Yes, sir. Inbound. And holds the ball. He pass. Inside pass. Release. Rejected again by Abila. Oop. Wala. And pass, yun lang, tinirahan ka sa harap. And stolen. And drive. Sa gitna, pass, Nugget. Oop, basket and 1. Stops for 3, De Jesus, bang, 3 points, De Jesus. And the pass, bullet pass, floater shot, yes sir, Castillo. And congratulations, Team